Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change or adjust the sound volume on this watch. So if you want to increase or decrease the sound volume on your watch, first you will need to open the settings, of course. So wake up the screen by pressing any of the buttons, then swipe left on the home screen to open the menu. Finally, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. And once you're in the settings, scroll down, find the sound and vibration option, tap on it, and here tap on volume. And right here we have different types of volume. We have alarm, media, workout, system, and voice assistant, and we can adjust them all. First, let's tap on alarm, and then adjust the volume by swiping on the slider, and then you can press the back button to go back, or swipe right on the screen. Then we have media, then we have workout, system, and finally the voice assistant. And once you're done adjusting the volumes, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.